Relationships always start off happy and full of excitement, and there is no better feeling than that new relationship feeling. Your first fight is terrible because it recognizes a sign of maturity in a relationship, and that new feeling is fading. Then if you start to feel that your relationship is in trouble, that can just be absolutely devastating. As soon as you start seeing some signs of trouble in your relationship, you can start to panic and might even start acting and thinking irrationally, which really doesn't help the situation one bit. How you act now can make or break your relationship, so if you really want to save this amazing relationship, then the following tips might be useful to you. What is the problem in the relationship? The first step to saving a relationship is to identify the cause of the problems that you are having. All relationships will have some problems, but some problems are worse than others, and these problems are the ones that can break a relationship if they aren't resolved. Even the small issues are worth working at getting resolved, as even though they are small, they can build up over time and become the cause of a failed relationship. So to save your relationship and your love for your partner, it is important to identify any problems and work through them together. Talk to your partner about the problem. A relationship is a two-person journey, and you can't solve all problems on your own. So if there is a problem in your relationship, you will need to sit down with your partner and discuss it. Don't just try to resolve the issue yourself. By talking about any problems that you have, then you can both work towards solving the problem and saving your relationship. Do you and your partner still love each other? A relationship won't work without love to hold it together, and sometimes people just fall out of love. Love is a very powerful tool, and if you both still love each other, then you should be able to use that tool to save your relationship. If your love for each other has died off, then it may be time to say goodbye, but if there is still a glimmer of love, then your relationship has hope. It is possible to save a relationship that has problems if you can keep the above tips in mind. Love is a two-way street, and you both need to feel love toward each other and be committed to saving your relationship. If your partner doesn't want to be in the relationship at all, then you can't force him to stay, but if he does still love you, then there will always be hope. Stay calm, look at the problems rationally, and work them out together.